Hi, this is a teardown of or disassembly of Bragi the Dash B1000 charger module, and I basically already took it apart and just want to show you the steps on the inside so you know what's awaiting you. The tool that I mainly used is my cutter knife. Obviously, as this one contains a battery, you have to be careful. The reason why I removed it is that, or opened it, is that this pin here is broken and this one's bended. So I was thinking I might find a way of playing with it. Additionally, I have another charger, and I was interested. As simple as that. So you have a USB port here, you have a light here, you have the left and the right headset or ear pod, and you even have a reset button here. The case comes even with a metal shield, so you can travel with it and nothing will drop out. The earpods themselves will magnetically join the connectors. Well, what I did was basically I cut open the sides here, like this. What's really important is that you begin on this side, as it's the longest side, and also as it's obviously not containing any battery. This is the side with the battery, and puncturing the battery is not a good idea. So use the knife, open it here, or otherwise you can also try to use a heat gun and slowly pry it open, but I'm not so sure if that will work. After that you can continue over here. Here is quite difficult to cut in my experience, apart from this side. The one with the reset button, it's easier. You have to cut both sides to eventually get it open. You see it's like this. And in my case, the rear was the least glued part, so I could actually lift it. You can even see those two plastic knobs that are left over, which are cut through in this case. So there might be a way to open it without cutting, but was the first one I took apart. This is the back panel. It's only plastic. There's nothing inside. Here are some grooves where the headphones or the earpods are placed. And the thing that dropped out is the little LED plastic cover, which is when you have the USB port here on the lower side. It's basically placed here. So you see there's a little knob, and the knob goes into the hole. So you have the cover here. That's how it looks like. It falls out, but it's easy to get it in when you want to assemble it again. Well, this is the case without the back panel, and this is the back side of it. You can lift it. There's only one cable, obviously going to the battery. The battery is a quite standard battery. It says GP Lion, lithium ion, NTA 3465-1, 3.6 volts with 7.92 watt hours. And this is the charging board, I hope the video is sharp. So here you have the USB, you have the LED here, the little thing. You have the two charging connectors, which are soldered here on the back, just 5 pins. The charging connectors also handle all the updates and so on. So when you do an update on your dash, it goes through this, so I guess it's a simple USB connection. It says something TP12345. No clue. But yeah, I'm gonna try to find a way to extend the pin or maybe replace it. That's it. Thank you.